Today I'll be working on this ficus plant. It is ficus microcarpa and one of the best species used for bonsai. So I am going to train this plant into a bonsai. Before starting, I have decided to reposition the plant to improve its looks and improve the position of the apex. This branch has a tendency to become a leader. I am going to prune it shorter. I am not going to take out the plant from its pot, just loosening the soil so that I can lift it up a little bit and plant it in a desired position. I tilted the plant to the right and pressed the soil around the base. It's done. I am going to prune all the tips of the branches for now. Pruning is very important for your plant. It helps to increase branch ramification. Don't forget to sterilize your cutting tools. We can use dilute hydrogen peroxide for sterilize. After pruning, I am going to apply NPK 19-19-19 for better growth. As you can see, this lower branch is hiding the trunk line. If we keep this branch, it will ruin the beauty of the trunk line. We can allow it as a back branch. But I am going to prune it off because it is growing from inside of the curve of the trunk. Now we can see the trunk line clearly. Let's see the other side. Without worrying, we can create a S-shaped branch by pruning. I will show you. If I prune this upper branch, I will get a S-shaped branch like this. Now I will prune this lower branch off to create a shape. We can use guide wire for better result. Now I will prune the apex shorter. That's all for today. If you liked it, please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.